Good morning. I'm Dr. Navina Priyadashni, Professor of EC Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In today's class, we shall discuss about the GSM in satellite communication. So first of all, what is GSM? GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communications. So this GSM is a digital communication system. So it's especially this for cellular, it utilizes the cellular technology for transmitting the mobile voices and data service. And according to the GSM world, there are now more than 2 billion GSM mobile phone users are there around 210 countries throughout the world. So day by day, the GSM users are increasing. So in order to provide effective service for these users, the GSM satellites plays an important role. Features of this is GSM supports voice calls and data transfer speed up to 9.6 kilobits per second, together with the transmission of SMS services. So GSM was developed using digital technology. It has an ability to carry of around 64 kilobits per second to 120 megabits per second of data rate, and the uplink frequency range, which is specified for GSM, is in the range of 932 to 960 megahertz, and the downlink frequency for this band supports for this GSM operation is from 890 to 915 megahertz. The channel spacing indicates the spacing between adjacent carrier frequencies. For GSM, it is of around 200 kilohertz. So this is the guard band. And also the GSM digitizes and compresses the data, which sends it down a channel with two other streams of user data, each in its own time slots, so that it operates at either 900 megahertz of frequency, or it can be operated in 1800 megahertz of frequency band. So this is architecture of a GSM. So it consists of BSS, NSS, and OSS. So these are the this is a combination of different subsystems. So the main three subsystems are BSS, MSS, as well as OSS. So the entire operation of each subsystems can be explained further. So here BSS is the base station service, and it consists of number of base stations, and all the base stations are controlled by the BSC, base station control unit, and number of BSCs are controlled by MSC, so base station control unit, and then it is further connected to the PSTN switch. And in depth we can see the operation of this GSM system. So GSM network can perform various functions. So it is broadly classified as mobile station, base station subsystem, network switching subsystem, as well as operation support subsystem. First is the mobile station subsystem. Mobile stations. So mobile stations are nothing but the handheld device which we are using. So these are digital telephones, includes vehicle, portable, and handheld terminals. A device called the subscriber entity module, that is a SIM, that is basically a smart card, provides the custom information about the users, such as the services they have subscribed to and their identification in the network. The second module is the BSS. So BSS named as base station subsystem. So this base station subsystem, it is the collection of devices that support the switching network's radio interface. The major components of the BSS, which includes the base station transceiver station, that consists of radio modems and antenna equipment. So this base station subsystem that has the control over the mobile stations. So next one is the network and switching subsystem. So in short, it is indeed as NSS. So it provides the switching between GSM subsystem and the external networks, along with the database used for additional subscriber and mobility management. The major components of this NSS includes the mobile service switching centers, that is named as MSC, and HLR as well as VLR. HLR is the home location registers, and VLR indicates the visiting location registers. Home location register, which consists of the users of that particular area, and VLR indicates the new users, that are those who are entering into this region. So these are the databases and are interconnected through the telecommunication standard signaling system. Next is the operating subsystem. So operating subsystem provides the functions responsible for management of the network maintenance. And also the components of the OSs are responsible for network operation and maintenance and to monitor the mobile communications. So it can perform the control and management operations. So the service provided by the system are it offers telephone service as well as teleservices, data services as well as supplementary services. So supplementary services are additional services that are provided in addition to the teleservice. This includes call identification, call forwarding, call waiting, and call holding, multi-party conversations, bearing of outgoing calls, especially for international calls. Thank you.